Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. We begin with tennis as both Randy Phillips and Daniel Lazar headed straight to the Eric Bell Tennis Center to get a feel of the court after landing on the island on Wednesday. They expect to get a new feeling for the new surface ahead of their World Group 2 Davis Cup contest against 59th ranked Estonia this weekend. Chris Paul, who is the trainer of the Davis Cup team, is very excited about the prospect of winning against the Estonians.
One step away from getting to Group 1, so that's the goal and that's the dream.
Meanwhile, Davis Cup player Randy Phillips still believes that Jamaica has the upper hand despite not being familiar with the surface.
Because we know the atmosphere and the environment more, so we're still more comfortable. It's just getting the feel of the court that takes no more than a day.
Cup clash is set to be played this Saturday and Sunday. Jamaican Stephanie Taylor, along with Shadeen Nation and Chanel Henry, have recovered in time to be named in the West Indies women's 15-member squad for the T20 World Cup later this month in South Africa. All three missed the recent Tri-Nation series involving India and South Africa. However, Taylor will still have to endure a final fitness assessment before the first match against England on February 13. Meanwhile, the team to be captained by Hayley Matthews with Shemaine Campbell as the deputy sees the inclusion of three members of the just concluded Under-19 World Cup. They are Zadie James, Trishan Holder and Cheneba Joseph. The squad is completed by Elia Lane, Shamelia Connell, Afi Fletcher, Sibaka Kajnabi, Karishma Ramharak, Shakira Selman, and the Jamaican Rashada Williams. After taking on England on February 13, the Caribbean women oppose India on February 15, Ireland on February 17, and close out their group games against Pakistan. Shakira Roden, Shelley Ann Taylor, and Janelia Williams have received scholarships from Olympic gold medalist and former world junior champion Brianna Williams. Roden and Taylor are members of Excelsior's Corporate Area Development Meet Team 4x100 relay team, while Janelia Williams is a silver medalist in the 200 meters from the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. The scholarship, which is valued at $70,000 each, totaling $210,000, will be disbursed to the school to cover the cost of books, tuition, and other necessities for the 2023 academic year. This scholarship will now have annual awardees that have sporting pursuits. Jamaica's under-17 reggae boys have named 7 overseas-based players in their 20-man squad for the CONCACAF Championship in Guatemala from February 11 to 22, where the 4 semi-finalists will qualify for the World Cup in Peru later this year. 2 goalkeepers, Tajwain Lynch and Joshua Grant, are in the squad that have Adrian Reed, Ahir Dixon, Alexveria Gooden, Malik Robinson, Malachi Molina, Nashan Bolt Barrett, and Brandon Bent as defenders. Ronaldo Barrett, Jordan Mantagal, Everald Swaby, Jamali Bell, and Dustin Cohen are the midfielders. Orain Watson, Nicholas Simmons, Adrian Mahoney, Ashton Gordon, and Dylan John are the strikers. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. It's back to you, Shamela.
Thank you, Karen. That's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports, and Production teams, good afternoon.